Hello and welcome to Idea Tech. Here we make videos on topics that might help you in some way or the other. Today we're going to be looking at downloading and installing Friday Night Funkin. So on Google, first step, we will be searching Friday Night Funkin. After that, the first link that will appear is what we're gonna click on. For us, it's this one. And the link should be from Ninja Muffin. So remember, you have to press on the Ninja Muffin link, not this one. So after we press on the link, we're gonna be here. From here, we'll be pressing a download now. So those that do want to support the creators of Friday Night Funkin, you can either donate a little amount or you don't have to. It's not necessary. You can do it if you want to. But we're just going to be clicking on this link. No thanks, just take me to the download, which we will be pressing. So we're going to download the appropriate file for our device. For me, it's going to be Windows 64-bit. There might be some people that does install Windows 32-bit. If that's the case, you want to download this version. But the latest version of Windows automatically takes you to the 64-bit. So we're going to be pressing on download. After we press on download, it's going to come here. For us, it's going to take 2 minutes. Alright, my download is kind of finished. Just 1 second left, and after your download is over, you want to extract the files. You can either press on, you'll have to double click on your download, and then you're gonna go to extract to. From here, you're gonna select the folder that you want to take it off to. For me, it's gonna be the new folder F. This is where I keep most of my games. Over there, I'm gonna make a new folder called Funkin. So after doing that, we're gonna be selecting this and we're gonna press OK. The files are gonna unzip to that folder, and we will simply go to that folder now. From here, we're gonna be searching for the file that's named Funkin. Over there, we have our funkin.exe. We will be double clicking on that, and that should launch us into the game. And just to show that it works, I will be waiting for the game to properly launch. As you can see, the game has launched. From there, you can select on how you want to play. That's the tutorial. And yes, after that, you should be able to enjoy your game. Thank you. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like. And if you want to see more helpful tutorials like this, press on that subscribe button. Thank you.